This is Made with Double TI, and I'd like to share with you my favorite can opener, and it's the PrinChef can opener. I really like this can opener because it's very easy to use. It comes with a magnet to lift the top of the can, which I love. Sometimes when I'm opening the can, I sometimes just get stuck on it and I cut myself sometimes. But with this one doesn't happen because since it has a magnet, it's so easy to take off. So I really love that this can opener has that feature. So it's very easy to use, and it's just a very useful tool in the kitchen. That's why I recommend you to try this PrinChef can opener, but this is just my point of view.